above, but you can't get in. I don't want no problem. Because we professional. Make you shake your hips and your haters take it personal. Like a Canada, let's go America. Let's go America. Let's go such kitchen. Let's go.
Ben's car.
Okay,
That's
okay.
Dom's car.
Did you drive it?
No. That's no. You don't. No one drives Dom's car.
Okay. Did you try to drive it? There's nothing.
No. Only thing I did was leaned in and said what's up while he was in the driver's seat. No one touches Dom's car.
That's a rule. That's it.
All
right. Well, everybody, give it up for Tyrese. All right.
Get him, Ty.
What's going on, y'all? What's happening?
Wow. How crazy is it to be back at a theater with all of your fans?
You know what? We don't really know anything about releasing the Fast movie without the fans having this much energy, so we love y'all, man.
Wow. You just stood there.
Wow. The first audience in the country that is about to see Fast 9 is you.
Excited to see you guys. You look incredible. Okay, you have your very first fight scene.
I do, yes.
Okay, what is it like? What was it like to finally kick some ass and show the fans what you got?
It was very gratifying to finally kick some ass.
I love that.
I have been wanting to kick some ass for the last 20 years, so I finally got to.